Hello students, this is Snigdha Das. I worked as a PGT chemistry teacher for last 14 years. So today we will study chemistry. I hope you all like chemistry. So today let's make it more interesting. Okay, so let's start. I will not disclose you the topic. You have to guess what will be our topic today. Okay students, so let's start. Okay students, tell me what is this? This is lemon. Yes, lemon is how the taste of lemon is. This is sour in taste. Okay, so what do you think, why it is sour in taste? Okay, as this contains acid in it. Which acid? Okay, citric acid. This contains citric acid in it. Okay, so citric acid, generally if you will add in water, what happens? You can drink it. Okay, so if you are drinking it, it means that will contain, means that acid is not much harmful, it is good for our health. So this acid, these type of acids are generally called organic acid. What type of acid? Organic acid. Okay, so organic acids are generally, all the mild acids or weak acids comes under organic acids, which are obtained from plants and animals. Okay, and all the mineral acids are generally corrosive in nature, like HCl, H2SO4. Okay, so you might have understood what is the chapter, acid, bases and salt. Okay, so as today we will study about acid, bases and salt. Okay, so students, what is the significance of this chapter? Why we are learning this chapter, acid, bases and salt? Because in our daily life we come across many things which contains acid, bases and salt, and we should know about their importance, okay, in our daily life. Okay, so first we will deal with acids. Okay students, first we will discuss about the general features of acid. Okay, general features or general characteristics. Okay, general characteristics of acid. Okay, what is the general characteristics? Okay, you in your childhood, means from class 7th onwards, I think you might have read about acids. Okay, so you might be knowing that acid is sour in taste. Okay, acid is sour in taste. Okay, then acid turns blue litmus red. Okay, it turns blue litmus red. These two general characteristic feature you know, I think. Okay, now some more general characteristics. Okay, so acid dissociates H plus ions into water. Acid dissociates H plus ions in water. Dissociates into H plus ions in water, or in aqueous solution we can say H plus ions in water. What does it mean? मतलब जब आप एसिड को पानी में घोलेंगे, ये H प्लस आयंस में टूटेंगे. ओके, इट गिव्स H प्लस आयंस. अब स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड completely dissociate होते हैं, weak acid will partially dissociate. We'll discuss that. First we will be discussing the general characteristics. Okay, then next, acids are corrosive in nature, especially the strong acids. Okay, they are corrosive in nature. Corrosive, I told you that this is organic acid. ठीक है, organic acid are not much corrosive, but the mineral acids like H2SO4, NO3, HCl, they are corrosive in nature. What is corrosive? Okay, they are corrosive in nature. What is corrosive in nature? Corrosive means it will produce burning sensation. What it will produce? It will produce burning sensation. If acid falls on our skin, it will produce burning sensation, and if in cloths or paper it will fall, it will make hole. Okay, that it will so we can say that it is corrosive in nature. Okay, now we will study about strong acid and weak acid. Okay, strong acids and weak acids. Strong acids and weak acids. Now, what are strong acids? Strong acids are those which completely dissociates into H plus ions, which completely dissociates into H plus ion, which completely dissociates into H plus ions. Okay, which completely dissociates into H plus ions in aqueous solution or in water, you can say. कंप्लीट डिसोसिएट्स मतलब जैसे ही पानी में डाला जाता है रेडीली वो H प्लस आयंस दे देते हैं और पूरे के पूरे टूट जाते हैं. इट्स कम्प्लीटली डिसोसिएट इनटू H प्लस एंड Cl माइनस. इफ विल टॉक अबाउट HCl, सो H प्लस एंड Cl माइनस में टूट जाते हैं. अंडरस्टूड? एंड कम्प्लीटली इट विल डिसोसिएट. ओके, बट हियर in weak acid it will partially dissociate. Okay, it will partially dissociates into H plus ions. partially मतलब completely dissociate नहीं होता, कुछ ही ions dissociate होते हैं. ठीक है, like example CH3COOH means acetic acid. Okay, oxalic acid. All the organic acid will come under this category, weak acid. Generally all the organic acid. Okay, acetic acid I told you. Okay, then all the organic acids will come under this category, but all the mineral acids are come under strong acids. Understood? Okay, okay students.